Hi, my name is Anna White. I have been working on furnishing a bedroom with DIY furniture. In my last video, I built this compact modern farmhouse bed. Now I love this bed and it truly is that focal point that a bedroom needs. So when it came time to build nightstands, I chose a design that was very understated and really takes a back seat to this bed. It's very clean, modern, sturdy, functional, and cost about $50 each to make.
So your project is only going to be as square as your cuts are, so use a compound miter saw or similar to make all of your cuts. There's any number of different ways that you can build your project, the easiest being using star-bit self-tapping screws. Now these screws are self-tapping, so you don't need to pre-drill them. Simply use 2 of the longer screws per joint to attach the side pieces to the leg pieces. Build 2 that are identical. Then just set your 1x10 shelf pieces on the bottom and attach with glue and the shorter screws. Now for the top, just use glue and 1x12s and attach to the top. I actually cut my 1x12s at 22 inches to match the bottom shelf. There's a slight overhang that I allowed on the back. After that, I filled all the screw holes with wood filler and then gave it a good sanding with 120 grit sandpaper. For paint, I used a paint with primer and brushed it on. I do a very light sanding between coats for that professional looking finish.
So these truly are about the simplest nightstands that you can make, and I love this design and this build process so much that we've got matching console table, matching coffee table in different sizes, and I'll probably be building more plans in this collection. It's a good one. So those plans are linked in the description for free if you build. Send in a photo. We love seeing photos of your work. Thanks again. We'll see you in our next video.